It's a triangle! I didn't do something right. Something's wrong. This is a small dice on a pepper. This is my medium dice on a pepper. I will be julienning this pepper. This is how to sharpen a knife. I have a sharpener right here. You want to take your knife, put it face down, go through the knife, and pull it through. You can do this several times. Until you feel that it is sharp. This is how to properly clean a knife. First of all, you want to take your knife and you don't want to actually touch the blade because it will be sharp and you can cut yourself. You want to add some soap right on it. You can add some water to it. And then what I'm doing is being careful not to touch the actual blade. But you want to just kind of clean it carefully. Another thing that you do not want to do is put knife in a sink full of murky water because it can disappear, and then if someone reaches in, they can stab themselves or get an injury if they just reach in without knowing that a knife is in there. So once you kind of cover the knife in the soap, you can then run it under water. Now you want to take your rag and just run it along the knife without actually touching the blade part. And now it's all clean.